Hey everyone, in this video I will be explaining that how to clear all caches of AMD GPU. So the first thing that you have to do is you need to bring up the run box, so press Windows key and the letter R key. The run box will be coming at the left hand corner. Here you have to type %local app data %again and then click on OK. Now this local folder will be now coming up. You have to double click on the AMD folder here. And here you will find DX cache, GL cache and VK cache. So you just need to click on it. And now press Ctrl A to select all. Then press the delete key to delete everything from here. Whichever are not able to delete, you can skip that. Now go back and then double click on GL cache. Press Ctrl A to select all, then press the delete key. Again go back. Now double click on VK cache. Press Ctrl A to select all, then press the delete key and all done. Now again press Windows and R key and type temp. Then click on OK. Now press Ctrl A to select all, then press Shift and delete key or just delete key. And then delete all these files from here. Whichever you are not able to delete, simply just check this box, do this for all current items and then click on skip. Once done, now make a right click on your desktop and choose AMD Radeon software. Now in case if you are not able to open this, then I will be leaving a link in the description. You can check out that video how to fix that. And now once you come here, you have to click on the graphics tab. Now again scroll down to the advanced section, just explore the advanced option, then again scroll down. Here you'll find reset shader cache and it says perform reset, so you have to click on it and then click on OK, and that's it. So this is how you can quickly clear all the caches of your AMD GPU, and hopefully this video helped you, and if yes, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.